Let's set up your parent account step by step. First, go to GoStudy.ae and click Register Now. If you're a parent, select Parent as your role. Enter your name, email, password and phone number, then click Register and confirm to continue. You'll receive an OTP code by email. Copy the code, paste it into the verification field and click Verify. Now, complete your parent profile. Upload a profile photo and fill in your personal details. Add your nationality, date of birth, gender and address. Click Submit and your parent profile is ready. Next, link your child to your account. You have two options. Option 1, add a child using their email or username. Click Add Child, choose Add via email or username and enter your child's details exactly as registered. Send the link request. Once accepted, your child will appear in your account. This option is best if your child already has a GoStudy account. Option 2, register on behalf of your child. Click Register on behalf of child to create a new student account. Enter your child's name and create a password. If your child has an email, add it here. If not, switch on I do not have an email and choose verification via the parent's email. Enter your child's details, verify the child's account with OTP sent to your email. Complete your child's student profile and fill in the child's details and click Submit. You're now ready to start booking lessons, and that's it. Your GoStudy account is set up and you're ready to begin learning. If you have more than one child, you can switch between profiles anytime using the child switch option. Once a child is selected, you'll see the available booking options. Monthly subscriptions are ideal for consistent weekly learning. Block bookings let you purchase a bundle of lessons, and one-to-one sessions allow you to book a single lesson whenever needed. Review the pricing on screen and choose what works best for you. Now let's book a lesson. Select the child you want to book for, choose a subject and browse available teachers. Open a teacher profile to view their experience, availability and pricing. Select a date and time slot. Check the booking summary to confirm the details, then complete the payment. Your session is now confirmed and will appear on your dashboard and your child's schedule. When it's time for the lesson, return to your dashboard, select the session and click Join Session. Parents can also join on behalf of their child from the same page. Everything happens inside GoStudy, so there's no need for external apps. For more information, contact